Who una woye otrofo edikan san say obonkrofo po bia mfra oyenti. You can say what you want and what you like because nobody has called you. And so you think it is so everybody is. But he's a liar. He's false. Because there are children of God in Ghana. No son of God, the true man of God will say there's no son of God in Ghana. Who say there's no prophet, which means you want to say there's no sons of God in Ghana. He's a liar. It's the sons of the devil. Ask the father. So where from this voice? So go and check. So when I open the Google, I see that this voice is coming from underworld. Why do you call yourself a reverend? If there's no a man of God, a servant of God, the sons of God in Ghana, why do you preach? Who are you preaching for him? Who have sent you? And where are you taking the sheep, the followers, the members? Why are you taking them to? If there's no, so be anyone one who your trophy. And to who obi am flow, into woman will do a chinina, who don't consume.
There's no genuine pastor in Ghana. When I ever Reverend Obofour and the Abednego are trending for about a week now. Enra Reverend Obofour a life, the trouble. They said there are only 3 men of God in Ghana, or respective Dr. Lawrence Eastwood Anaba, and I say the archbishops. Now, Ebusia, a summer Reverend Obofour a kind of comment. I say, I'm for beside say if they are not genuine men of God in Ghana. Does it mean that you are also not a genuine man of God? Or who are the genuine men of God? Are the genuine men of God outside Ghana? Or there is no man of God in Ghana? Ebusia, where a spiritual issue are trendy and people are asking questions of what the man of God is saying. Is it really true? Said they are not genuine men of God in Ghana because Ghana, there are so many men of God, but we can't tell of who is the truth and who is of the devil. Ebusia mesaka Dr. Abednego ewa hanu say na before I may introduce no abaye program no mpese yenti say we are not here to talk about anybody but a truth that bontin ye pese ye discuss it come home niema na kwaba embra ye dwumadi so. Prophet Doctor
Oh the mayor sujeka mo ho to say
yes wadom
yo
papa
yo
Anope same pinane echo social media about there's no genuine man of God in Ghana and people are really confused what the person said now. Maybe he's saying the truth because people follow him, people believe in him so much and they know that whatever he's saying is for the truth. Papa, do you have genuine man of God in Ghana?
Oh, great is Jehovah. Great is Jehovah, great is Jehovah, great is Jehovah, oh, great is Jehovah. Amen.
Amen.
One, which voice do that person, that pastor, that prophet, evangelist, a reverend, which voice told him? And neighbor in a casachren, and I know so wine ne friend, and a wine a smile, and a then a what the man said on me. And Tina Hina and neighbor not say, O Yamini Pebiara, and Ghana. This is the first question.
Okay.
2, is he a man of God?
Yeah, he is a man of God.
Very good. Is he a man of God? If you say he is a man of God, seen of who, approved by who, confirmed by who? That is person. Unipana say there's no genuine man of God, there's no prophet in Ghana. If you say there's no prophet in Ghana, which means one, you are a false liar. The first person, you are a liar. Nobody have called you. You did not say anything. Nobody have tell you anything. And you know una uye otrofo edikai. San say Obofour po bia mfra oyenti. You can say what you want and what you like because nobody has called you. And so you think it is so everybody is. But what I said, obi amfra ni, obi ansuma ni. And as kasa obekai why next month ombeka say onyame nipa bia ni Ghana asase so. What you say? And this ono gusu kasadia. Make question maybe some say. One, is he a man of God? Two, who has called him? Sin of who? Approved by who? Confirmed by who? One, he's a liar. He's false. Because there are children of God in Ghana.
Papa, say, asemi asofi kai, asemu ankofu na eka. So he's just coming to confirm what the other people have already said. Say they are not genuine men of God in Ghana. Papa, if they are genuine men of God in Ghana, why is that Obofour na yeso mo Obofour? We later find out that they are doing falsehood. They are practicing falsehood. They are defrauding, sleeping with people's wives, duping people, and all that. If
mo onyamenshira sa asemo me bisa Ewurade Yankopon. Say what so odifu bi eni Ghana. Asofo bi eni Ghana. Ena me bisa say Ewurade sa nipa na okasa no. Oye hinaba. Those people who are saying so are sons of the devil. No son of God, the true man of God will say there's no son of God in Ghana. Who say there's no prophet, which means you want to say there's no sons of God in Ghana. It's a liar. It's the sons of the devil. Because the kingdom of darkness and the kingdom of light does not emerge. She know again is so many high. Two, essence of no oil Obofour true be am friend here. Na enea efi fem na kasa kire no enye ne efi soro. We have the voice from heaven.
Papa, from
yes, because we know. That's why I'm telling you the truth. Because my cup runs over, and surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. My cup runs over, full of truth.
But what is
so we have the voice that comes from heaven.
Which is the voice of principalities and powers.
And there's a voice also that comes from the earth. So there are some people when they are talking, then I go through the www,
the sight of God.
The sight of God. Ask the Father. So where from this voice? So go and check. So when I open the Google, I see that this voice is coming from underworld.
Papa, please, can you help us? What is the voice from heaven and the voice from the earth?
Yes.
Near to us.
It is written, they that know their God shall do exploit. So this is not the voice of God. Our Father speaks from heaven. He don't speak from the ground. So he that speaks from the ground is of the devil and the father of the liars. So we have false prophets and false pastors, false teachers. Obofour bi obako jeno say onyame bi ni Ghana. Obofour bi one, they no preaching. Let me say onwa obi ansomanie. Why do you call yourself a reverend? If there's no a man of God, a servant of God, the sons of God in Ghana, why do you preach? Who are you preaching for him? Who have sent you? And where are you taking the sheep, the followers, the members? Why are you taking them to? If there's no, so be anyone one, who your trophy. And to obi amfro, into woman will do a chinina, who don't consume.